रुक करेंगे इस वक्त की बड़ी अहम खबर का जो पश्चिम बंगाल से आ रही है। पश्चिम बंगाल में एक बार फिर से टीएमसी बनाम राज्यपाल देखने को मिल रहा है। जी हां, राज्यपाल ने विधायकों को शपथ दिलाने से साफ इनकार कर दिया है। तो एक बार फिर से राजनीतिक टकराव जो है वो पश्चिम बंगाल में देखने को मिल रहा है। राज्यपाल ने कहा कि विधायकों ने राज्यपाल के खिलाफ आपत्तिजनक टिप्पणी की। टीएमसी विधायकों ने पहले शपथ समारोह का बहिष्कार किया था। अब राज्यपाल ने टीएमसी विधायकों का साथ छोड़ा और साफ तौर पर जो राज्यपाल हैं उनके द्वारा कहा गया कि वो विधायकों को शपथ नहीं दिलाएगी।
West Bengal Governor Dr. C.V. Anand Bose have filed a defamation suit against the West Bengal government in Calcutta High Court. It has been said that his image is being maligned by the West Bengal government. They have made certain statements about the governor. Now the hearing has begun in Calcutta High Court. It has been argued in the Calcutta High Court that the MLAs who were newly elected in this bypoll election, they were refused to be given an oath by the West Bengal governor because they have been using governor's name and they have been maligning governor's name. Even it has been argued that they have said that governor is selected, but the MLAs are the one who are actually elected by the people. They were also asked or invited by the governor to go to Raj Bhavan, but that was refused. The reason why governor then refused to give oath to these MLAs. It has also been argued that Kunal Ghosh have also mentioned like governor have also assaulted somebody in Delhi. It has also been argued that it has been said that women are not feeling safe to go to Raj Bhavan. You will remember that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, after the two MLAs were refused to be given an oath, have said that women are not feeling safe. They have come and told to the Chief Minister that they are not feeling safe to go to the Raj Bhavan, and it should be in fact Governor C.V. Anand Bose who should come to the West Bengal Assembly and give oath to this newly elected MLAs.